You know, a lot of times we get the question, where can I go to practice these amazing CAD speed modeling skills? And the answer is you can practice right over at TooTallToby.com. In fact, we've taken these models from the tournament and we've been adding them to the library. So you see when we get in here to the practice models library, you can sort the library by most recent, and then you can practice modeling these parts over and over and over again, refining your workflows, improving your speed and efficiency in any 3D CAD system. And so we can see here that this one has been solved by 9 people, and the average solve time is 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Can you solve it faster? Find out over at TooTallToby.com. Let's go. No sketch pattern crew. That's what's up. Here we go, guys. Shake it off. All right. We're in for another really good challenge here. Can't wait to see how these guys approach this one. They've never seen this drawing before. Here we go. This next CAD vs. CAD battle featuring MrAlex, our number 8 seed from Latvia, running SolidWorks, going up against Mehtab, our number 1 seed, 2-time tournament winner from Bangladesh, running SolidWorks. This SolidWorks vs. SolidWorks battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go! What is the mass of this part in x.xxx pounds? Tolerance is plus or minus 0.002 pounds, and this thing is in inches. We got a router table jig here. Both of our runners have grabbed a screen capture, both of our runners jumping into their CAD system to attempt to model this 3D part. And we can see here that this is something that you would make if you were doing a lot of routing, a lot of woodworking. You would make this so that you can kind of feed the material into the router, and you could keep it square against the guard. And wow, Mehtab drawing first blood, getting that first sketch in there, getting that. Whoa,
well,
MrAlex also coming through.
It was really close, but I think MrAlex might have actually gotten it.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have to go to VAR.
Yeah,
we're gonna have to see.
But it was close. It was within like 1 second.
Wow. Very, very nice, guys.
Yeah.
Both of our runners trying to model this thing up. This is a router table jig. This is a thing you would make out of wood so that you can continue working with wood, keep your parts square. And we see Mehtab here getting that rectangle in place on his. We see MrAlex getting that rectangle in place on his. Both these guys trying to figure out what is the best way to locate this thing. Of course, as we're creating these drawings, sometimes we have to make the drawings in a way that they are not even exploitable. And so that is why sometimes it seems like the dimensions might seem a little bit unusual. Of course, if you were building this thing, you would just lop that extra piece of wood on there because it's just a handle to feed the wood into the router. But in our case, we actually are trying to model it up precisely.
Yes.
So MrAlex on the left, getting through there and adding in that cut. Mehtab on the right gets that first cut in place and drops in the pattern. And now he's going to need to go through and figure out what he's going to do with the rest of this model. Looks like he did either a rollback there. Mehtab either did a rollback or he might have done a Control-Z. Looks like it was a rollback. Wanted to get those fillets in place. And wow, we might end up seeing a mass here. Mehtab comes into the chat with the answer, 1.815 pounds. And that is correct. Whoa. And wow, that was just about 2 minutes exactly.
That was sub 2. That was, sub 2 minutes.
Wow.
That's
Mehtab, congratulations. That was amazing. And really, really nice work there. Wow, guys.
GG.
Yeah, put a GG in the chat for Mehtab. That was super, super impressive. Super fast modeling there. And holy smokes. Man, and look at MrAlex on the left. He was just about done with his as well. So GG to MrAlex as well. And great to see you back here in the tournament. An unfortunate draw going up against Mehtab in your first round. I don't think anybody would envy you that position. But I will say, just awesome battle to both of our runners. And guys, make sure that you put a GG in the chat for the winner, for Mehtab. But of course, put a GG in the chat for both of our runners. Congratulations to Mehtab moving on. But GG to both of our runners.
Was that our first sub 2 minute solve?
It was definitely fast.
Besides like the practice.
I'm not sure. That was super, super fast.
GG to both runners, of course. That was...
It
went by so fast.
Much respect to MrAlex.